Tessa's mother said with a yawn as she closed the big book of fairy tales. She had read 3 stories that night, and still her little girl showed no signs of tiring. The same could not be said for her mother.
"Read me another story, please,"
Tess begged. "Not tonight, Tess. I have already read you 3 stories. It's time for bed. We have a big day tomorrow. All your friends will be here to celebrate your birthday with you."
"That's why I can't sleep. I'm too excited,"
Tess said excitedly, jumping up in her bed.
"I can't wait for my party. Do you think real fairies will show up?"
"I know you're excited, sweetheart, but you have to settle down now," Tessa's mother said as she tucked her back into bed.
"I'll try,"
Tess said, her eyes already starting to droop. Her mother kissed her on the forehead and whispered, "Sweet dreams. See you in the morning." With the room darkened, Tess began to drift off to sleep. However, before she was fast asleep, she heard a noise coming from her closet. Now, wide awake, Tess quivered,
"Who's there?"